fact now remains that everybody needs to wake up. And then right now, this is not even the right time for all the Yoruba nation agitators to be quarreling each other. Because what is on ground right now is worse. Like is worse, and I think this misunderstanding that has been going on with among the leaders is just like a kind of trap set for them so that they will not be able to think in a normal way. Right now, a lot of things are actually happening. For those people, especially the Yoruba people, who are still of the opinion that the only solution to our freedom is to support one Nigeria. If you are still that kind of person, or you are still one of those people, most especially you call yourself a Yoruba person, and you are still supporting a Milocon and the rest of them, I think this is the time for you to wake up and do the needful. Because right now we have seen it that is a kind of spell that is disturbing the Yoruba leaders right now. They have put that spell in their life so that they will not be able to think straight, so that they will not be able to follow the exact thing that brought them together from beginning. Right now, a lot of people are expectant of the 2023 election, and an audio had been leaked right now, and this audio is talking about where the Muslim leaders had a meeting, and this meeting, it was exposed, where they were talking about the purpose of the Muslim ticket. My brother, my sister, hmm, I pity who is still shouting one Nigeria. Now, the audio had been released, which is the fact that as far as the movement is concerned, though, as far as 2023 election is concerned, they are not coming to better the life of any Nigerian. They are not coming to make things cheap, to make life good for anyone, to do good road or to do anything good for the people. That their purpose of this 2023 election, why they have chosen the Muslim ticket, is to Islamize the country. You get it? If you don't get it, you can forget about it. That their purpose is to Islamize the country. That anyone who is thinking, oh, we are coming, according to them, that they are coming to make Nigeria better, that those kind of people are dreaming. That their main purpose, why they have chosen Muslim ticket, is to Islamize the whole country. You know, I think before I proceed, I would really like you to listen to this yourself, so that you not say, oh, that Pilado will talk. My brother, my sister, we all need to wake up. Yes, meanwhile, just hear this for yourself while I come back later for more analysis. All right, hear this.
Dr. Abdulmutali Muhammad is the leader of the Muslim Leaders Union of the Northern and Southern region. He explained the purpose of holding the conference. Our intention is that we are Muslims, Muslim preachers. That is why we gather the leaders of different sections, leaders of Sangaya, leaders of Zari, and all others, in order to sensitize people about this agenda we have in view. That is ensuring that we choose a Muslim and a Muslim, what we call the Muslim ticket. The union we invited are about 75 in number, especially the Izala Union from Kaduna, Izala Union from Jos, Salafia, Kadaria, Tiljaniya, GCI, Imwan, from one, and women in Dawa, together with our Yoruba Muslim brethren that are here, our Igbo Muslim brethren with the union of all imams of Kano State. We rally round all the unions so that we can have good platform to pass this message. What we show the leaders is that it is not a matter of we are coming to build road and infrastructure for you, or the promise of giving you position. What we are talking about is who will establish the dignity of Islam and also uphold the respect of our religion.
All right, my people, you've heard that for yourselves. And then some set of people will still be out there and be telling us cock and bull. that I beg you, they just dey talk their own. My brother, my sister, these people are not just talking. Yes, we must know, be very, very vigilant right now. Everybody needs to wake up. Now they have made it clear. This was exposed. They did not even know how it got out of that meeting. And right now, I always like laugh and then look at the leaders of the Yoruba Nation movement as people that are not serious with what they are doing. If they actually love the people, if they actually love the followers, most especially the Yoruba people, no matter what, they will not even quarrel. As in, they will not fight themselves. Even if they fight themselves, they are supposed to have settled their differences before it gets out. Because if you don't do that, what do you now expect the followers to do? They will relent, they will be weary. And exactly what we are seeing, a lot of people are seeing what is going on right now. Now, you people are busy fighting yourselves instead of you to do the right thing, to do the needful. You are busy fighting. They have put a kind of distraction spirit into you people, so that till after the election you will not be able to get out something tangible in this Yoruba Nation movement. That's why everybody right now need to wake up. You are out there, you are still shouting one Nigeria. I pity you. Because as soon as these people get there, we are talking about maybe another 16 years. Because as it stands, they have said it before that nothing will make them, like nothing will make them to surrender everything to anybody as soon as they get there. Because their forefather had given them warning. In fact, he had called them to make sure they get the country for themselves, that they own the country, they own the land. And this time around, they are not ready to make it slip out of their hands. And there's some set of people are still there shouting one Nigeria. Even the set of people who are actually talking about the Yoruba Nation movement as we speak right now, they have deviated. This one is doing his own, the other one is doing his own. And the Fulani people are just laughing. They are hiding in one corner and they are laughing on this, they are laughing at this set of people. That thank God, you can imagine. This is how they will quarrel till we get there and take over the land. Now they are of the opinion that anyone who, in fact, to start with, now they are of the opinion that anyone who is not a Muslim in the first place will be dealt with. Yes, you understand what I mean by dealing with such a person. They go buy those people, meaning anyone who is a Christian right now is not safe as soon as they get there. And the majority of people are still there relaxing, they are clapping, they are watching. They don't know that a lot of things will go wrong if this set of people venture wins this election. If they venture win this election, so to say. And meanwhile, a lot of majority of prophets have said it that as far as this 2023 is concerned, don't ever try, don't even think of voting for APC. Because if you try it, oh my le koko, that this one that you people are saying, oh, you are in paradise. No, a lot of people have been like, oh, there is suffering in the land. A lot of people are suffering, no light, no food, no good road, no security. People are dying on a daily basis. They are crying as we speak right now. And meanwhile, according to what the prophet has said, that this one that you people are complaining, it will be like paradise if you allow APC to win this election. And right now, we don't even need a soothsayer to tell us the truth right now, because it had been exposed. And their mission is to Islamize the country, to destroy a lot of things. To the extent, you can imagine what is going on right now. School has not resumed. for a very long time. In fact, anybody who is talking about schooling right now should forget about it. That's exactly what they want to do. As far as a female child will be concerned, there won't be schooling. Then they will not bring in the Sharia law. Maybe we are still seeing some girls that are wearing macaroni. Oh my goodness. A lot of things will go wrong. A lot of things will go wrong if these people venture win. And right now, I am now using this opportunity to call upon all the Yoruba nation leaders. Either you believe you are on the right path, a lot of people love you, or not, or you have a lot of supporters on your own end that you are right, you are the one who is right. My brother, my sister, I think it will be better for these agitators right now to step down finally, to step down for themselves finally, and they work together as one. You should stop all the malice because it will not take any one of you anywhere. And exactly what we are talking about right now. Exactly what we are talking about. Now you've heard that audio for yourselves that they are not coming to make anything up, anything good for you people. What we are coming to do is to Islamize everybody as a Muslim, to make everybody a Muslim, and anyone who is not a Muslim will be killed. So, is that the kind of life we want to live? Is that the kind of country that we are now saying we are one? I think this is just a eye opener. God has just revealed this, and everybody needs to work towards this. Don't ever believe anyone who tells you, "Oh, vote for this party, vote for this party." The best thing right now is let the Yoruba nation agitators come together as one. They should love themselves and then do the needful for Yoruba people to be freed. And exactly what it is right now, my people, onto this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.